First step, tap and clap. Tap and clap, tap and clap, tap and clap and go. Tap and clap. Then open hand, one hand, the other hand. Circle and run. Tap and clap. And my personal favorite, the pledge. Pledge. And pledge and shake it to the side. Again, tap and clap. Everyone, show us your hands. Show us how you clap. Open hand and circle and run. Tap and clap. Alright. Pledge and pledge and shake it to the side. The third step, the roll. Show us how you roll to this side. Alright. Now to the other side. Roll, roll. And keep rolling to the other side. Alright. Show us how you roll the last time. And roll. Now tap and clap again. Tap and clap. Alright. Open hand, the other hand. And circle and run. Tap and clap. Alright, tap. And pledge. And shake it to the side. Again, pledge. And pledge. And shake it to the side. Alright. Come on, wave with us. Woo! And to the side. Alright. Alright. And close. Great job, everyone. Well, we've enjoyed our performance with you guys, and I hope